Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got the Plouise beauty box. It's a beauty subscription box and this is their March box. I've had a look inside and oh, it is so good. It's so good. So if you're new to the subscription box and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside their March box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. The Plouise beauty box is a monthly subscription. It ships internationally and it costs £30 a month, and shipping is calculated at checkout. To the UK it's an additional £1, but if you were to type in your country then you'll be able to see how much extra the shipping would be. Now inside you'll find exclusive products, full-size products, makeup and tools, and each box is sent out on the very last day of every month. This is the February box, not the March box. It's a little bit confusing. You've got until pretty much the end of the month to be able to receive the March box, which I can't show you yet because I'll get it at the end of the month. Basically it's too late for you to have this one. They also have an early access link on their Facebook page as well, so that's worth checking out. So as well as a monthly rolling subscription which you can cancel any month, they do offer a one-off box which will cost you £30 and a 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. It's a great way to try products from Plouise, whether you're a huge fan of the brand or like me, you don't own very much and you're curious in seeing what their products are like. And based on last month's box, I absolutely love it. So I will be carrying on with this subscription. It is one of my pricier subscriptions, but the value is a lot more than what you actually pay for it. And once I have enough Plouise products, I'll do a video of a full face of makeup to show you what the products are like. So I'll wait a couple of months before I do that. But I think that's it as far as information goes. If there's anything else that I've missed out, then please ask away. But you'll find details for this subscription and any codes I can find. I don't think there are, but there might be some discount codes around, so you'll find that down below as well as links to the website. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. We get a little card. And it's just a card, no information about the products, and it just says budget box by Plouise for babes on a budget. Welcome to the world of Plouise. We do things differently here. This is well packaged and it's huge. Now there's no information leaflet or anything about the products, so I'll just go through them all. Oh my gosh, I haven't opened it up properly yet. I've just had a little look, but look at that, look at that. Oh, the ring light is a bit annoying when I film at night. This is Beauty and the Breakup. Look, oh my word, the packaging. Some may say it's excessive. I love it. It is quirky. I absolutely love it. All these bits move around in there. There's Beauty in the Breakup. It's only now that I've realised it's time to wake up. My eyes have opened to your lies and deceit, and for a while I was left incomplete. But now it's time to level up. There will be no more time to kiss and make up, running from your manipulation. Let's switch it up and change situations. If only I knew my worth all along, maybe I wouldn't have knew where I truly belonged. I love it. I absolutely love it. So I'm guessing it's an eyeshadow palette. Oh, look. It's in like a jewellery box. Look. It's just like a little jewellery box. You've got the mirror there. Huge pans. Look. That is so, so lovely, isn't it? I wonder if this is new, because I'm new to Plouise. I don't know. I don't know, but if you are a huge fan of the brand, please let me know if any of these are exclusives. That is just gorgeous. That is so, so lovely. And I'm not normally a girly type of girl, but I love this. The shades are stunning. Let's try a few. They are super pigmented. Look. It's got Plouise on the mirror. That is gorgeous. That is so, so lovely. I'm chuffed with that. So that's the first item in the box. Next I got a brush. It says Plouise is cancelled. Plouise is cancelled all over. And it's a 7072. And it's a flat brush. So great for cut creases. Next I have got is an eyebrow gel. This is Oh So Beautiful Defined eyebrow gel in mochaccino. See there. Wow, that is a super small brush. Look, teeny tiny. What colour is mochaccino? Let's mess up my hand a bit. Yeah, that's not too bad. That is quite dark for me, but that's fine. That is fine. I can use it maybe in the outer corners because I like more of a darker outer corner. See? So we've got an eyebrow gel. Next I've got Plouise and Mitchell. Did I say too many M's then? Acid Rain, Blank Canvas. What's that? Comes out in a big dollop. Can you see? Ooh, okay. Yeah, that would make an amazing concealer. It's a little bit too dark for my skin, but that would be really nice as an eye base as well. I'm going to have to look into that. There's that. Then lastly, we've got a Hollow Mini, irresistibly infused with 100% temptation. But what are you? High shine, long wearing, lickable lips. This is a Hollow Mini. Yeah, I like that colour. Lip gloss. A nice nude colour. Does it smell? No, it doesn't. I'm getting the blank canvas everywhere. Those are all the products inside the February Plouise budget box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So we've got the gorgeous Beauty Breakup eyeshadow palette that looks like a jewellery box with stunning, stunning colours. Yeah, beautiful. Then I've got an eyebrow gel in mochaccino. Next, I've got Acid Rain, Blank Canvas. Then I've got a Hollow Mini lip gloss. And lastly, a Plouise is cancelled. A nice flat eyeshadow brush there. I am really chuffed with this box. Some beautiful, beautiful products. This is just, yeah, this is just adorable. It is so, so lovely. And I know my daughter will probably have her eyes on it as well. But let me know if you subscribe to this box. What do you think of the products for this month? I keep saying this month, but it's February's box, but you know what I mean. What do you think of this box? What do you think of the products? And if you know anything about them, if they're new releases, etc., or yet to be released, please let me know. And also, if you're watching this wondering, shall I, shan't I? Even if you think, nah, it's not for me, I'd love to hear. So again, please comment down below and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.